So we're here in Clovis, California. We just finished replacing this tub spout. The old one, the diverter, had failed and was no longer diverting water from the tub spout up to the shower head. The homeowner bought a replacement tub spout. However, it's not something that we typically use. It's a Delta, so that's a good one. Unfortunately, back in here you can see there's a dead space between the threads, and apparently in the instructions you're able to cut back some of those threads in the event that this adapter sits out too far. And so they did that and cut it too short. So it's in there, but we're not real sure if it's going to seal correctly or what. But anyways, we are going to everything's good. It's in. I think we're going to take this apart one time, take a look at it real quick just to see if everything's installed correctly. But there's no leaking, so everything looks good. And we'll take another video when we're done.